Okay, welcome to today's session. Can you pick those seats and be sit well? So we meet all the class minister. Tracy Mulana. Tracy Cheselem. Naomi. Present. Barbara. Present. Okay, I hope everyone is present. So since you an audio, can you look at your WhatsApp group and you play the audio? You will tell me the kind of animal it is and what will happen if the animal leaves its natural habitat and defend the village, right? Can you play the clip? I've sent it in the WhatsApp group. Have you played the audio? Which animal is it? An elephant. What will happen if the elephant leaves its natural habitat and invades the village?
So destroy the crops.
Yeah, it will destroy the crops. Tracy?
It's going to lead conflict.
Yeah, it will lead to conflict. So when these animals leave their natural habitats and invade the village, it can cause human-wildlife conflict in a way that it can destroy the crops and the human can end up killing them. So our today's session will be on human-wildlife conflict, and our learning outcomes are, by the end of the session, we should be able to identify causes of human-wildlife conflict, describe ways of mitigating human-wildlife conflict. So we'll start with our first learning outcome, which is to identify causes of human-wildlife conflict. So human-wildlife conflicts happen when human needs and the human needs and the wildlife needs, if they clash, and which can lead to negative effects like death of the animals, or maybe crops can be destroyed by the animals, or human beings can be killed. So we are going to process of human-wildlife conflict. I want us to do an activity. Can you all stand up? Okay, I have a topic, and the activity is on live broadcast, where we have presenter, we have the authors, and those who have been attended. So, if can you come forward? Kona? Switch? Tracy? You will be the viewers. Maggie? So, we are here at the script. So, the scripts, they there are lines that show it will act like a live broadcast. Okay, so it is the presenter, you are reporter 1, reporter 2, you are the farmer. So you play a different music, then the presenter starts, right? Then when you order, is it clear? Okay, you does not have a screen. Okay, so you play the intro, you start, then after they are done, you play the outro. Okay, start.
Okay, good evening, listeners. Welcome to a special bulletin today. You are with me, presenter Wycliffe Kwoma. About today is about human-wildlife conflict. And Stephanie, can you take it away?
Thank you, Kwoma. I'm reporting from Mwamongo village, where elephants destroy 3 acres of maize last night. Farmers are worried about their food shortages. Can you share your experience?
Kusema ukweli, ile imekula ni yangu ekari 3. Imekula imemaliza mahindi yote, sasa hata hakuna kitu ya mkono.
Kwoma, over to you for the next time.
Thank you so much, Madam Stephanie. Over to our next reporter. Barbara, what's happening on the side?
Thank you, Mr. Kwoma. I'm at the riverside where lions attacked livestock last evening. Others are struggling to protect their animals from wildlife. Today I have an expert who is going to explain more about wildlife conflict. Her name is Margaret. Let me welcome Margaret to continue.
Thank you, Barbara. Conflicts do happen when wildlife enters human settlements seeking food or water. Farmers can therefore use fences, rangers can relocate animals safely, and communities should maintain buffer zones in such cases so as to reduce the chances of wildlife conflicts. Back to you, Barbara.
Thank you. Well said, expert Margaret. Kwoma, I hope you have heard how the expert Margaret has clearly indicated about wildlife management conflict. Back to you.
Thank you so much, all the reporters, for giving us what's happening on the ground. Thank you so much, listeners of TV. Today we've learned that human-wildlife conflict arises from crop destruction, livestock predation, and habitat overlap. Solutions include proper fencing, relocation, and community awareness. This has been a special bonus class. Back to the class.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I have a question. So what kind of conflict has been mentioned? Which kind of conflict?
Human-wildlife conflict.
Okay, so we are going through the concept of conflict. We have resource competition. So this is whereby you find that human beings in the wild are trying to compete for resources like land, or maybe you see that there is a growth in population of human beings. So they are trying to maybe settle in the natural areas. So there this can cause conflict. We have poor waste management. Under poor waste management, you find that this waste can attract wildlife, right? And through that, it can cause a conflict. We also have climate change, especially drought. So you find that with the drought, animals can migrate from their natural habitats, maybe to the community in search of maybe water, and that can lead to conflict. So we are going to our next learning outcome, which is to describe ways of mitigating human-wildlife conflict. I have an activity. So this is what you are going to do. I'm going to read a script, they are in form of sentences. So when you hear the term protect, listen carefully. When you hear the term protect, you stand up, you clap, and shout protect. But there are some words we start with pro. So when you hear the words that start with pro, you only stamp your feet, right? Okay, and any mistake, you roll like a lion, right? So I'm starting. Farmers use fences and protect. Let me start. Farmers use fence and protectors to protect. When I say protect, in short, protect, right? Okay, so farmers use farm fences and protectors to protect. And rangers use promotions and protocols protect wildlife by relocating animals. Communities set buffer zones and propellers and prototypes to protect. Anti-warning systems with propaganda and processes help protect. Then rangers through protons and protocols work to protect endangered species. Because some have missed the line, I want you to roll like a lion, all of you. Okay, so the sentences are ways of mitigating human-wildlife conflict. So some of these ways are to create fences and barriers. So the fences will protect the animals maybe from leaving their natural habitat to the community. Or when we say that when the community have fenced maybe their farms, this can prevent the animals from getting into their farms. We also have proper waste management. This is storing and disposing of food and waste properly, because you know that waste attracts and some animals, right? We also have awareness campaign. This is just educating locals about wildlife behavior, safe practices, and conflict prevention. We also have animals corridors. So these are just natural pathways that the animals can use. To connect them to different habitats. Okay, so any question? So what are some of the ways of mitigating human-wildlife conflict? Just one response. Yes? Yes, another one? Okay, thank you. So we want us to summarize our session. So we have some cards here. So these are the cards. You connect them to form a sentence, right? So we have group 1 and group 2. So one of the cards has mitigation measures and the other one has causes of human-wildlife conflict. So when I say stop, you just read what you are, like you are them to make a sentence, right? So this group is for mitigation measures. Can you form a sentence? The other group. You can join them faster. You can stop. So the first group, you can read, yes?
It says, protect farmer through relocation and wildlife patrol.
Pardon, come up.
Protect farmer
Yeah.
through relocation and wildlife patrol.
Yes, good trial. Appreciate yourself. The correct one is farmers protect from missing fence and buffer zones. Also, rangers protect wildlife through relocation and patrol.
We don't have farmers. We have farmers.
Okay, the next group.
Human-wildlife conflict causes deforestation.
Human-wildlife conflict. Appreciate yourself. And for that, I'll award you with pens. Okay, that's for the group. Okay, I have an assignment. We discuss effects of human-wildlife conflict, and the due date is 17 October 2025. You make sure that you send it to my email, Vivian Barra, @gmail.com. Thank you for your participation.